Welcome to Low-Code Application Development with Oracle Apex. This video is a quick tour of SQL Workshop. Hello, my name is David Peake, Product Manager for Oracle Apex. So within my workspace, I currently have 53 tables defined. So let's go and have a look at those through SQL Workshop. First major component within SQL Workshop is the object browser. And this allows me to look at all the database objects that I currently have defined. So at the moment I'm looking at tables. So let's go and have a look at the customers table. You can see all the column names, data types, whether they're nullable, primary keys, etc. I can add, modify, or rename columns. I can even do things like drop the table. From here I can also look at the data in this table. I can look at the indexes, constraints, any triggers defined on that table, and more. I could also look at other database components such as views, indexes, sequences, packages, which is one of my favorites here. And we'll just select the top one here. And here's the specification for that package. You'll see that there's a number of functions and a procedure. And then you can drill directly into the body as well. You can update any of the SQL in here and then save and compile it back into the database. Also from here, you can create new database objects using a wizard. So for example, I might want to create a table. I can simply specify the table names, columns, components, and other attributes that are required, and then continue through the wizard. The second major component within SQL Workshop is SQL Commands. And this allows me to run any valid SQL statements. So something as simple as select asterisk from the table I was just looking at, which is EBA customers. And if I run that, you'll see the results coming up there. The next major section is SQL scripts, and this is used to upload scripts which run multiple DDL or DML statements to operate on the database objects. So you might want to create several new tables or insert multiple rows and that sort of thing. And you can either upload a script or you can actually create a script from scratch. Quick SQL is covered off in another video. Going back up now, the next major section is utilities. Within utilities, you have the data workshop. You can either upload data from text, XML, or spreadsheet into a table, or you can unload data from a table to text or XML. You can also look at your import repository and spreadsheet imports. Within utilities, you also have Quick SQL, which is available through SQL scripts, which again allows you to generate SQL using shorthand syntax. The ability to generate DDL, which allows you, if you've created multiple tables and views, to create scripts. For example, if you're moving an application up to test or production, you might need to create the scripts for those underlying database objects. You can compare schemas, check things that have been dropped, and look at the database. On this side, you have the query builder, which is a graphical way that you can select multiple tables and specific columns out of those tables and build up joins between those tables rather than having to write SQL statements to do that. You also have sample data sets, user interface defaults, which are very useful for getting consistency and naming convention across your different applications. And you've got things like methods, object reports, and a database monitor. The last major section is RESTful services. This is an advanced topic that we're not going to cover in this quick tour, but basically this allows you to define RESTful web service endpoints you can then utilize to extract data from your Oracle database and utilize it in other applications. Thank you very much for watching this video.